Is government contracting right for you? Let's find out. In today's video, we separate fact from fiction in government contracting. Now, before you yawn and click away, hear me out. These aren't dusty government jobs. These are multi-million-dollar contracts for businesses of all sizes across all industries. It's everything from tech startups building defense gadgets to landscaping firms to local bakeries supplying fresh bread to military bases. It's a multi-billion-dollar playground where your skills and your hustle can land you million-dollar contracts. But here's the thing. Most people think government contracting is some impossible maze, only accessible to giant corporations with secret handshakes, but that's wrong. The truth is, the government wants to work with small businesses just like yours. And the government spends billions of dollars with small businesses every year. Think moms in garages building million-dollar drones, or mechanics helping to fight forest fires, or software developers, or janitorial businesses getting a contract to clean a big government building. These aren't fairy tales. They're real people just like you, crushing it winning government contracts. Now, a lot of people make this sound super complicated and confusing, and I'm not gonna lie, there is stuff you need to learn. But when you have the right roadmap and right tools, it becomes so much easier. That's where I come in. We'll break it down with bite-sized steps, actionable tips, and real-life examples that'll have you bidding on contracts like a pro before you know it. Another thing you've probably heard is that it's all about connections, but I don't want you to believe the hype and get held back by this. Here's why. Remember I said there's stuff you need to learn because the government has lots of rules, but the thing is, these rules will help you. I love the rules because the whole reason they exist is to ensure fair competition. That means that anyone with a great proposal and competitive pricing can win a government contract. So why government contracting? Well, imagine how your life would change with a stable 5-year, $5 million contract. How that would fuel your business growth. Think financial freedom, securing your future, and living your dreams. Sounds great, right? Ready to unlock this gold mine? Well, please, don't just watch. Take action. In this next video, do the steps yourself along with me and find out what you can sell to the government. Hey friends, I'm so glad you're spending your precious time learning how to grow your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.